how to create an LLC for TikTok Shop. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to launch a TikTok shop and start selling products to the US market, but you're not based in the United States, or maybe TikTok is asking you for a US tax ID, EIN, or business registration number. To get approved and sell smoothly on TikTok Shop, you'll need to form a US-based LLC even if you live outside the US. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up your TikTok Shop the right way by forming an LLC using Busy, which is a reliable service that helps you create your US business for free. You only pay the state filing fee. So if you wish to get an access to Busy, click the link in the description to start your US LLC with Busy. They'll handle the paperwork, EIN, and even help you stay legally compliant. But before that, the question is why you need an LLC for TikTok Shop. So an LLC is required, or let's say highly recommended, for selling on TikTok Shop because it offers business verification. TikTok asks for an EIN or US business number during registration. Tax compliance, you'll need a US tax ID to report income and avoid account freezes. For business bank account, you'll want to connect a US bank account to get payouts. For credibility, which is a real business structure that builds trust with customers, suppliers, and payments processors. And for legal protection, which is an LLC that separates your personal finances from your TikTok business. So if you wish to set it up with Busy, simply click on the link given in the description below and you'll be redirected to busy.com. So you're going to choose Wyoming or Delaware as your state. Both are text-friendly and popular for international entrepreneurs. And then you're going to choose a name for your LLC and give business activity a name. Every US LLC needs a registered agent. Busy provides a free registered agent for first year, saving you $100+. But if you wish to act as your own registered agent, Busy does offer an option for that as well. So you really need to activate your employer identification number to activate TikTok Shop. Busy will apply for your EIN from the IRS even if you don't have a US Social Security number. Or if you already have your EIN, then you can ask Busy to not obtain your EIN again. Starting from January 1st, 2024, new US LLCs must file a BOI report, that is beneficial ownership information. You'll need to list the full name, address, and ID of each beneficial owner. If you wish to create that as well, I have included a link to that in the description too. So once your LLC and EIN are ready, you can open a US business bank account through online services like Mercury or Relay, even if you live abroad. You'll connect this account to TikTok Shop to receive payouts in USD. So you can use Busy for free LLC formation and it will give you EIN and free registered agent for 1 year. And it works for non-US residents building online brands. So if you're ready to make your TikTok Shop official, simply click the link in the description to start your US LLC today with Busy and unlock US bank accounts and full business legitimacy. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.